If you are a Punjabi, you must have visited the Androon Lahore numerous times. And whenever you drove through those narrow and winding streets of Androon Lahore that are still standing as the symbol of cultural heritage of Punjab, you know one thing for sure, that finding a parking spot there is absolutely a nightmare. But a mega plan is coming now. As under the direction of Chief Minister of Punjab, a new initiative has been taken by the Work and Communication Center, where 6 major plazas are going to be built at 6 different gates of walled city of Lahore, which will incorporate in itself huge underground plazas and commercial shops. From international and national tourists to the local residents of Androon Lahore, everybody faces this huge and hectic problems of congestion, heavy traffic, and not finding a parking spot whenever they are traveling with their friends or family. But now, under this new direction by the Chief Minister of Punjab, this infrastructure that is going to be done at the 6 major main gates of walled city of Lahore will come at a hefty price of $31.5 billion. The purpose is to make these underground plazas and commercial shops at these areas seamlessly so that it should not distort the aesthetic sense and the cultural heritage of the walled city of Lahore. So in this regard, the Sherawala Gate Plaza is going to be estimated at 8 billion rupees for its infrastructure and revitalization, while Bhati Gate, its revitalization will be at modest 2 billion rupees, while Mochi Gate, Taksali Gate and Shah Alam Gate got around 5.2 billion rupees for their upcoming project, and Delhi Gate clinched around 6 billion Pakistani rupees for the renovation and the revitalization of this part of the walled city of Lahore. This construction is due by January 2027, though a specific timeline has not been given by the government of Punjab for when this construction is going to start. But the tourists and the residents of this area are quite optimistic, or this project will not only renovate and revitalize the cultural heritage of the walled city of Lahore, but will also include modern amenities in it. So, what do you think about this plan, and how do you think it's going to help the usual traffic congestion and a nightmare of not finding a parking spot? Please do comment and tell us about this.